everyone. Welcome to week 3 of 21st Century. We wanted to tell you a little bit, small amount about this week's activity. So if you select the COVID-19 and also the careers, which are the lessons that Ms. Stewart, has put out, you would be doing an activity where you take a bowl of water. You would put your fist in. Now, I would do this if I were outside. I'm not going to do this in the school building, but you would put your fist in, put the bowl up to your mouth, and you would flick 2 fingers to kind of demonstrate how far the droplets from someone's nose and mouth can extend, and then you can actually record the distance. Be sure to follow the procedure which I've provided you with. Second activity, you would take a cup, empty cup of course, and you would blow in it, and you would look at the moisture, see if there's moisture, how much moisture is in there, also if there's any change of temperature. So if you select those 2 lessons, you would be doing those activities, and also I have provided a Google form and a virtual field trip for the MBA. Thank you.
Hello, this is Coach K. For the health this week, you will learn about your skeletal system, about your bones. And for character, you will read the article about a man who set the life goals, and it was much easier to go over so many obstacles in his life. That's the way how to be successful in life.
Hello students, I'm Dean Ellerby. I hope that you all had a wonderful holiday weekend. So let's talk more about what we're going to be doing for the next couple of weeks. Of course, you should have completed chapters 1 through 6 by now. We're going to begin with chapters 7 through 12 for the next 2 weeks. And here are some of the things I want you to focus on. We talked about note taking. I want you to take notes as you're reading the different chapters, as well as we're going to talk a little bit about our feelings. And I want us to have some dialogue with our students in Google Classroom, just like a discussion board where we talk about our feelings as we are reading the story, but not Buddy. If you have any questions on what we're doing, don't hesitate to give me a call, or I said call, but I guess an email, to make sure you're understanding things clearly. So, number 1, I need you reading chapters 7 through 12. Number 2, I want you doing some note taking, and we're going to talk about our feelings amongst our classmates on the discussion board. Thank you.
Hey there, it's Ms. Schenkman. How are you doing? I hope you had a great week off. So this week we are going to extend our knowledge for nature of science. So we've learned how to make qualitative and quantitative observations. We've learned how to use the metrics to make those quantitative observations. And so now we're really going to put them to use in a lab experiment where you test the speed of something. If you were doing it online, then you're going to be testing the speed of a little mini boat that you will make. And you will use distance and time. You'll have to use your guessing skills to determine which one you think is going to make your boat go faster. And then you're going to have to do a conclusion. So we're going to start using the scientific method in this week, in addition to doing the speed formula. So that's for our science. For math, we are going to practice using conversions for metrics, and then we're also going to practice using our distance and time formulas in some word problems. Okay, so have fun making your boat, or if you're doing this, if you're doing the math part, have fun calculating speed. That's what we do. Bye.
All right, everyone, we look forward to your assignments that you send to us via Google Classroom or via email. And if you're paper-based, we have assignments in the front of Lincoln Middle School for you. Have a great week. Enjoy the activities. Bye now.